Earn money by watching ads? What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you fast and easy ways to earn money by simply watching ads. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload on a consistent basis videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, before we get started here, I'm actually going to share with you a few sites and apps that are totally free to sign up with that you can get started to earn money by simply watching ads. So all you need to do is pay attention, watch the whole video here so you don't miss out on any important information on these opportunities here. Now, these are great to make some extra money online with, but you're probably not going to get rich. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below this video that you can have a look at when we finish this video, of course. But as I said, these are great opportunities to earn some extra money, and you can do this while you build your real sustainable online business with simultaneously. Alright, with that being said, let's get started to have a look at these sites and apps, of course, that you can earn money by simply watching ads. Let's get started. Okay, so the first site that we are going to have a look at today here is Ireso.com. Ireso.com, and this is how it looks when we arrive to the site. You can see here that they do have paid out the members here well over $80 million in cash here. Pretty well known and has good reputations in overall. Ireso.com, and you can see here that brands pay us for consumer input, so we recruit members like you, and when you do activities at Ireso you earn free gift cards and cash. Joining is simple and sign up is free, of course, so you can get started straight away. You can see that it has been seen on Yahoo, CNN and the Wall Street Journal, so as I said, it has quite a good reputation. So we can see here, you join Ireso, score free cash or gift cards just by completing easy tasks. Bring along your friends and family to earn even faster. Then you earn points, of course. You share your opinion, play the hardest games, watch entertaining videos, so you realize that you can actually earn more money by not only actually having a look at the ads there, but there are more opportunities on these sites here. Okay, and you choose your rewards, you get paid how you want. So they send your rewards weekly. You can select from the biggest brands online like Amazon, or of course, if you prefer, which you probably do, turn those points into PayPal cash. Alright, so I'm not going to have a look at more at the main site here, but what we're interested in is let's have a look at how Ireso works a little bit here. So they pay you for doing online activities. Alright, as they mentioned earlier here, you earn points for every task you complete. Tasks or activities like surveys, you're taking offers, videos, games and many more. So a lot of opportunities to pick from here to earn some money with Ireso. You can see here downloading apps, for example, watching videos, paid surveys, completing offers, even playing games there, so you can have fun at the same time while you earn some extra money. Alright, so have a look at it. You can see here Trustpilot has left a review, also Commodore Secure. So as I said, it has a good reputation. Go ahead, have a look at it here on Ireso.com actually. Let's move on to something else here, and let's have a look at an app this time. And you can see here we have app trailers. You can find this on apptrailers.com, or if you are on an iPhone, you can go to the App Store there, or of course on an Android device, you go to Google Play. So what you do here is you watch trailer of hot apps and you earn reward points. You redeem your reward points with instant gift cards and free cash with money from PayPal, of course. Alright, so Once again, they do explain it here on the desktop, on the site. You watch trailers, you collect rewards, and you redeem your gift cards. You can see here they have iTunes, Google Play, Starbucks, Amazon gift cards if you prefer that. But we are probably interested in PayPal. Let's have a quick look here on Google Play. I don't think we find something different here, but let's have a quick look. Preview video trailers of app celebrity gossips, do-it-yourself videos and get points that you can redeem with PayPal Cash, Amazon gift cards and many more with app trailers. So here they have something new actually. Now you can earn rewarded for playing trivia, so over 10,000 questions and more added every day. So that is another opportunity that you can earn money with app trailer. apptrailers.com. Go to the site, have a look at it, download it and get started to earn some extra money by watching trailers actually. Let's move on to something else here, and that is Money App. You can find it on desktop on moneyapp.org. This is how it looks. They have the home section. How it works is that the Money App is very simple to use. You get some extra money really as easy as 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you earn credit by completing many tasks. One of them of course is watching ads there. In the hot offers tab, the tasks can vary and can be watching videos, sharing, completing surveys and many more. So a lot of opportunities here also. Let's open it up here in a new tab in Google Play. So you can see here you make money every day. Reward app, you get paid fast also here. You completing easy tasks and you get cash. And we are talking about PayPal money here. Alright, I'm not going to actually read through everything. Have a look at it for yourself at your own pace if you think it's worth it, which I think it is definitely worth. Try to get started to earn some extra money. Let's move on to something else, and that would be Swagbucks.com. I shared this site a lot of times in the past, and it is probably because it is one of the most popular sites here. You can see that they had paid out well over $388 million to this day when I'm recording this video here. So by just having a quick look at the About Us section here, you can see is the web's most popular rewards program that gives you free gift cards and cash for the everyday things you already do online. You earn points when you shop at your favorite retailers, watch entertaining videos, search the web, answering surveys, and you find great deals. And of course you redeem points for gift cards to your favorite retailers like Amazon, Walmart, or of course get cash back from PayPal, which you probably prefer, I can guess. Alright, so I don't think actually, if you see here how it works, you can see it. You shop online, you can actually earn some points there. You're answering surveys, watching videos, probably with ads also, discovering offers, search the web, playing games so you can have fun at the same time while you earn some extra money. And there is the mobile app there as well that you can earn money with. So Swagbucks.com, go ahead, download it to your phone even if you want to, of course, or if you prefer, get started here on a desktop version, so you can earn some extra money with this site. Alright, I'm going to share another pretty similar site also, and that is Earnably.com. Another very popular site here also. You can see here digital rewards and gift cards made easy. You earn instant rewards by completing tasks, watching videos and taking surveys. It is that easy. Okay, so pretty similar. They do have the offer wall here, so a lot of offers that you can have a look at. Complete the offers and of course you get rewards. We reward our members with instant cash and free gift cards for completing simple tasks, watching videos and answering surveys. Pretty similar as the previous sites that we had a look at earlier here. And of course you have the opportunities here to redeem your points for instant gift rewards or free gift cards from your favorite brands and retailers. Now there's something for everyone: cash payment, gift cards, wallet codes and many more. And they do have a referral program here, so you earn actually money by sharing a link, a unique referral link with your friends, family and followers. you actually earn 10% of their earnings for life. So as long as they are active and earn money, you earn money too. A cool tier 2 program here, I would say, actually. Totally free to sign up with, and you can get started in minutes here. So there you have it, actually on how you can earn money by simply watching ads and do some other tasks as well to earn even more money. Now, as I said in the beginning, you're probably not going to get rich with these sites and apps that you're going to download here. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at. Now, if you like this video, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship, and much more. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation at my end screen here. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.